Welcome back to Love and Lust Lessons, where attraction meets psychology and seduction becomes second nature. Today's topic, body language. Not just any body language, though. We're diving into 10 insanely sexy, subtle, and magnetic body language secrets that instantly make women crave your presence, even before you say a single word. Whether you're walking into a room, locking eyes from across the bar, or simply standing next to her, these micro moves have the power to stir intense desire and unforgettable chemistry. Let's jump right in. Fire 1. The lazy gaze. Master the power of eye contact. If you want a woman to feel something instantly, it starts with your eyes. But not just a stare. I'm talking about the lazy gaze. Here's how it works. Lock eyes with her just a moment longer than most people would. Let your eyes slowly move from one of hers to the other. Then look away, slowly, like you're savoring her presence. That combination of confidence, curiosity, and control is deeply primal. It says, I see you, I want you, but I'm not desperate for you. That alone can spark a fire in her curiosity and her desire. Man standing 2. The confident lean. Space says everything. Most guys either lean in too much, signaling neediness, or lean away too far, signaling disinterest. The sexy middle ground? Lean in just slightly when she speaks, showing engagement. Then lean back when you talk, giving her space to chase your energy. That micro shift says, I'm interested, I'm grounded, I'm not here to beg, I'm here to connect. Women crave men who know how to play with space. It shows emotional intelligence and sexual control. Smirking face 3. The smile fade, the slow smile technique. Most people smile instantly, but that's too eager, too expected. If you want to crack open her curiosity and ignite desire, try this. Look at her without smiling. Hold it, then slowly let the corners of your lips lift into a grin. Like a secret just passed between you. This is called the slow smile technique, and it's ridiculously powerful. It's mysterious, suggestive, and sexy as hell. It makes her wonder, does he know something I don't? Is he thinking something naughty? Hint, she hopes the answer is yes. Footprints 4. The power stance. Your feet tell the truth. Most guys focus on what their face or hands are doing, but forget one key body part, your feet. When your feet are pointed away or shuffling, it signals insecurity or distraction. Sexy men plant their feet firmly, shoulder width apart, and point them directly at the woman they're interested in. That small move sends a subconscious message. I'm grounded. I'm present. You have my full attention. Combine this with relaxed shoulders and slightly open palms, and you radiate sexual confidence without saying a word. Ear 5. The intentional touch. Less is more. Touch is where everything changes, but it has to be intentional. Here's how you do it right. Brush her arm lightly when you laugh. Let your fingers graze hers when handing her something. Gently guide her lower back when walking through a crowd. Each touch should feel accidental, but deliberate. Done right, it sends shockwaves through her nervous system. She starts to crave more, even if she doesn't admit it. The key? Back off immediately after. Don't linger. Let the space you leave behind be filled with her curiosity. Straight ruler 6. The pause and drop. Voice plus stillness combo. Want to drive her wild with words? Then understand this. The sexiest part of your body language is your stillness. When you speak, use a slow, low tone. But then pause. Let the silence hold. Drop your shoulders. Lock eyes. That moment of stillness between words can heighten everything. It draws her in. It makes her lean forward. It creates tension, because in that pause, her mind fills the silence with possibility. Eyes 7. The lip glance. Trigger her subconscious. Every once in a while, look at her lips. Just for half a second. Don't stare. Don't drool. Just glance. Then return to eye contact. Why? Because the brain is wired to associate lip glances with intimacy and desire. This small, nearly invisible move subconsciously says, I'm thinking about kissing you. Are you thinking about it too? And trust me, she will be. Necktie 8. The collar tug. The masculine adjustment. Straightening your collar. Fixing your sleeves. Running your hand through your hair. These are called preening gestures, and they signal that you're getting ready to impress without needing approval. When done naturally, these moves tap into evolutionary attraction patterns. They say, I take care of myself. I'm confident in my masculinity. I'm subtly preparing for intimacy. These adjustments catch her eye and hold it. Bonus, do it when she's not looking directly at you. Let her catch you doing it. That's when her imagination really runs wild. Brain 9. The tilt and squint, subtle flirt signals. Tilt your head slightly when she talks. Not like you're confused, like you're curious. Now squint ever so slightly, like you're reading between the lines of her words. This combo sends a powerful nonverbal message. I'm intrigued by more than just your looks. I'm trying to understand you. Women crave men who listen with intensity. This tilt and squint shows you're not just hearing her, you're absorbing her. And yes, she'll feel it, right in her chest. Fire 10. The exit glance, leave her wanting more. When you leave the room, or even the conversation, don't just walk away. Look back, briefly, just once. Hold her gaze and give that half smile. Then turn away. This is the exit glance, and it's one of the sexiest moves you can make. It says, you weren't just another person I spoke to. There's more to this, but not tonight. And that suspense? Delicious. Let's recap the 10 body language secrets that make women crave you instantly. The lazy gaze, the confident lean, the slow smile, the power stance, the intentional touch, the pause and drop, the lip glance, the collar tug, the tilt and squint, the exit glance. The secret? You don't need lines, muscles, or expensive cologne. You need presence, because sexy body language isn't about trying hard. It's about being deeply aware of how you move, how you look, and how you make her feel in your presence. When your body speaks confidence, restraint, and desire, she doesn't just see you, she feels you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which of these body language secrets are you going to try first? Until next time, be confident, be magnetic, and let your body do the talking.